Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this eyeshadow look. I wanted to create a eyeshadow look for you guys and I was just inspired by my shirt. Nothing here fancy. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys and just put some makeup on. So if you want to see how I create this look, then please keep watching. Like I said before, I wanted to sit down and just do an eyeshadow look, and I wanted to do yellow today. I'm wearing like little butterflies on my shirt. I got this shirt from Shein. I think everybody has this shirt because I've seen so many people wearing it. I just buy little things like this to have fun and for inspiration, inspiración, because I just want to do things different and just have fun. So today's inspiration is these yellow butterflies and black, and I'm just gonna go with the flow. So grab your popcorn, grab your beer, grab whatever you want, and let's do this. So I'm just gonna take a concealer, and this is the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm going to apply that on the lids just a little bit, just to have a base. I almost forgot what that is for. Just going to blend that out, make sure there's no creasing or anything, and that way we have flawless eyeshadows. So this is a eyeshadow. Oh my god, I always do that! I freaking dig in my nail into the freaking palette all the time. So this is by We Makeup, and they sent this palette. Like, this was, I customized this palette. Me. So this brand is super cool. You can customize your own 9 shadow palette, and I think you customize like bigger ones and things like that, but this was me. I customized this little palette, and I don't know what the inspiration was, but I had something going on here with like the greens and the yellows and the blues. I just don't know, but I think she came out pretty. So the yellow is what I'm gonna be using today, and I don't know, I wanted to do like a half cut crease yellow look with some browns and some blacks maybe, and a little bit of gold. I'm also going to be using this Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. If I could open it. Trophy Wife eyeshadow, no, highlighter, and I don't know, she's a beauty. So I thought that maybe on top of that yellow that would like pop. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go in, and I have not washed my brushes. That sounds disgusting, but I have not had time to wash my brushes. So what do we do when you don't have your brushes washed? Use the color Switch Solo, and this is by Veramona. Dollar Tree has one for $1. Don't go spending $20 when you could buy the $1 one from Dollar Tree. So I literally just going to dig my brush in there and clean her out a little bit, because honestly I haven't had time to wash my brushes. So I'm just going to start with the yellow and see how it looks in the beginning of the eye. I just want to start blending that in and basically packing the color into the beginning of the eye. And wow, already so much pigment. I forgot how pigmented these eyeshadows were, and this is a company from Italy, I think it is. So it is really like not big. I mean, they're probably big on Instagram, but I don't think it's very known. But these eyeshadows are really pigmented. Like this one right here, it is so freaking good. And yeah, you guys should definitely check out We Makeup if you have not checked out We Makeup. So I'm just gonna start blending that into the beginning of the eye, and I said I was gonna do a half cut crease, but let me just, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start packing that, like I said. So slowly building up the color. What I think I'm gonna do, you see how I have this yellow here? I might pop Trophy Wife like in this area, and then blend a little bit of darker eyeshadow on the outer area. Let's see how this goes. What's everyone doing with this freaking pandemic? My lord. honestly, I'm over it. Just want to go out and dance, shake my butt, and have some fun. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. I'm gonna go in with a different eyeshadow palette, and this is the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. I just love this palette when it comes to like matte colors. I think this is the perfect neutral matte eyeshadow palette. It's like, you don't have this, you need it in your collection. So I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and this is the blending brush by the Eggshell, and I love this brush. You know, I did a brush collection video and it never went up. I don't know what happened to it, but I think I need to do that video again because I get asked a lot about my brushes and I don't have a video like that. So coming soon. Blend the this color right here, which is Latinus, and it's like a brown, just neutral light brown color, perfect for this look. So I'm just gonna start blending that on the outer V, and I like to extend my eyeshadow, so I will be packing that into the outer corner and winging it out a little bit and just blending that to my preference. And obviously my eye shape. We all have different eye shapes, so as you learn to apply eyeshadows, you also learn your eye shape and what goes best with your eyes, and I suppose that's how we learn. So then I'm connecting right in the middle, I'm connecting the brown with the yellow, and that will make the eyeshadows look nice and like ombre-ish and connected. So after you have that blended, you're gonna go in with a deeper color just to deepen the crease a little bit and darken the outer V. So I'm gonna go in with a deeper brown color, and that color is Solace. And yeah, again with the Shade and Light palette. So I'm gonna deepen that area and blend it out. See how it got a little bit darker? That's what we wanted. Not too deep, but deep enough. So then I'm gonna take a 55, this is my 55, right? No, E40 tapered blending brush by Sigma, and I've had this brush forever. She is just the best for blending your eyeshadows and making sure everything is well blended. And yes, perfect. Okay, so I did the same to this eye like I did to this one, and I'm just gonna go in with the yellow again because, you know, with blending and stuff like that you may lose the color. So I'm gonna go in with that yellow color again and just tap in a little bit more of the yellow color. The star of the show is the trophy wife. And I'm gonna go in and just start applying it here, and if I like the way it looks, then I'll go more to the center, so like right underneath the yellow just a little bit. Just gonna pop that in this area, and okay, I like it. So we're gonna extend that to the middle a little bit, and yes, 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 I like it a lot. It's just what I was thinking. But this look so far is fire. Okay, so I wanted to add eyeliner. Now, I hate this part right here. Like every time I do eyeliner, I swear I sing this song in my head all the time. It's just, I hate this part right here. Like I honestly do. So we're gonna do eyeliner. So I'm gonna use my go-to, and this is by Gerard Cosmetics. It's like the best eyeliner ever. It's easy to apply. If you're a beginner and don't really know how to apply eyeliner, I was there, you know, eyeliner is hard, just like lashes. I feel like eyeliner and lashes go together. It is so hard and it takes time. So don't be you know, don't be hard on yourself when it comes to lashes and eyeliner, because it is not easy. I have been there and I still struggle applying eyeliner. So I just feel like this eyeliner is the best. It's like a felt tip and it's just so precise. So it's tiny too. I feel like eyeliners that are longer are harder to work with. It's small, it's precise, it's hard, but not too stiff that you can't, like, you know, apply it very well. It's just, you guys need to use it. So this is by Gerard Cosmetics and it's the Eternal Eyeliner, and most of the time it is sold out because I'm telling you, it is so good. So I do have a code with Gerard Cosmetics. It's Estefania. So if you needed to, you know, use my code, then you could use it and you'll get a little discount on it if you wanted to try it. So I'm just gonna do a quick wing. Okay, now let's just act like they're even. Don't even look at them. Let's just like act like they're even, and I could breathe. It took me a whole 30 minutes from the video. Just kidding, it took me like 5 minutes, but yeah. So now I think I'm gonna go in with the deep brown color that we used, and I'm just gonna smoky out the under eye area. You guys know, if you've been following me forever, that I cannot live without putting eyeshadow underneath my eyes. It just makes my eyes pop and I like the way it looks. So we're gonna do that. I'm just going to deepen out the outer area of the eye, of the under eye, and then I'm probably gonna go in with the yellow in the beginning of the eye just to make the eyes pop. But I'm gonna focus the eyeshadow close to the waterline. Then I'm gonna go in and blend it out with a more fluffy brush. But this is a, I always forget to do that. This is a, oh my goodness, a Luxie 141 mini round brush. Then I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush that I was using, which is the angled brush, and I'm gonna start blending that. Now in the beginning of the eye, I'm gonna stick to just the matte yellow color because I'm really digging that color. So again, I'm gonna go into this palette and go into that yellow and focus it on the beginning of the eye. And some of the trophy wife went on that area anyways because she is just like that. She goes everywhere. So yeah, it works out. For this being a yellow matte color, this color is insane. It blends out so good. It is so creamy. I'm telling you, these eyeshadows, you guys need to have these eyeshadows in your life. Find that yellow eyeliner that I've been using in my waterline forever now. I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna use a black eyeliner. So then I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and this mascara has been my go-to. This is by Essence and it's the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara, and this mascara is insane. And I did see it in Ulta and I'm so mad I didn't purchase it, but there was like, I was in a rush. I didn't want to wait. So I think this is like $4 in Ulta. And yes, it is super worth it. The wand is like thick. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of, you know, back in the days when we used to use the CoverGirl, like the orange, I forgot what it's called. That's mascara that was so good and everybody used. That's kind of what this reminds me of. But I think this one's even better than the one from CoverGirl. So I'm just gonna apply a coat of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm gonna go in with my falsies. Anybody else have that one eyelash on the side of the eye that just like sticks out? I have to literally like roll it to my other lashes because it is right in the corner and it is super long. It like sticks out and it's like freaking a mile long and it's mad annoying. So I have to like roll it and like hide it in between the other eyelashes, and it makes my life harder when it comes to applying lashes because of that stupid eyelash. I have both the top and the bottom coat. I'm gonna go in with my lashes, and today's lashes are the Scarlet lashes. They're not in here. They're over here, but these are the Scarlet lashes by Dollar Lash Club. If you know me, you know that I live for Dollar Lash Club lashes. So I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Lash Strip adhesive, and this is with aloe, and it's the clear one, and this is my go-to. Ew, it's disgusting, it's dirty, don't do that, that's nasty. But this is my favorite, and I'm gonna do what I told you guys that I've been doing, and I literally go in and apply it directly to the eyelid. Don't apply too much. It's just that this is my old one. I have a new one, but I can't find it. So this is my old lash glue, don't mind it, but I literally just been applying the glue to my eyes, and it just works out. So I'm gonna wait till that dries and I will do my little touch-ups. Let's see, let's add highlight as we wait for that to dry. Apply that to the brow bone, just a little bit. I swear a little bit goes a long way. And then I'm gonna add it to the inner corner as well. Add these lashes before my lash glue dries. The lashes are in. So this is the finished look. I added my lipstick, and it's a mixture of green and like nudish color, and I am obsessed. I don't know why I never did this lippy before, but it's so different and I'm loving it. So this is, like I said, the finished look and the eyeshadows. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.